here we will solve problem A of Code Forces Educational Round 142. So first I'll explain you the problem. Monocrep is playing a computer game. He wants to kill n monster. Each monster health is HI. So you are given one array of healths H1, H2, Hn, which will indicate the health of monsters. Monocrep has two spells. First spell will reduce the health by 1 of each monster, and the second spell will directly kill the monster. Killing a monster means making health of the monster 0. So we'll directly look into the inputs. You are given first number of test cases, then size of the array, then health of each monster, and you have to output the minimum number of spells which is required for Monocrep to kill all the monsters. We'll directly look into the example test cases. First case is 1 2 1 2. So here what you can do is you can apply spell 1 on these two monsters, which will make their health 0. Then you apply spell 2 on this, which will make this monster's health 0 and this monster's health 0. So total you will require 3 spells. 1 spell of type 1 and 2 spell of type 2. Okay. Here you can do one thing also. You can apply type 1 spell 3 times on this, then 2 times on these two monsters. 2 times on these two monsters. Okay. So we'll see the another example. 2 4 2. So here you can directly apply spell 2 on this, on this. You will have to use 3 spell 2s, or you can apply spell 1 2 times on these two. In this way you have to apply spell 2 2 times, and then spell 2 1 time. Okay. On this last example, you can directly apply spell 2 on each of the monsters. In this way you will require 5 casts of spell. After seeing this example, you can easily get one logic that if you have monsters with health 1, you can make their pairs and apply spell 1. In this way you have to use 1 spell and you can kill 2 monsters. Else you can use spell 2 for monster with health 1, but in this way you can kill only 1 monster with 1 spell. So using spell 1 is a good idea for monsters with health 1. If you have monsters with health 2, you can make their pair and you can apply spell 1, but you have to use spell 1 2 times. Another way is to use spell 2 2 times. So you have 2 ways to do this thing. Afterwards, if they are monster with health 3, if you apply spell 1, you have to use 3 casts of spell 1. On the other side, if you have to use spell 2, you just have to use 2 casts of that. So monsters with health HI greater than equal to 3, you have to strictly use spell 2. Also monsters with health greater than equal to 2, you can use spell 2. It's equivalent to use spell 1 or spell 2. So we will directly use spell 2 on monsters with health greater than 2. So only for monsters with health equal to 1, we have to use spell 1. So now solution will be pretty easy for you. If they have given you this array h1 h2 h3 and hn, what you can do is collect all the ones from that, collect all the monsters with health 1 from that, and make pairs of them, apply spell 1 on them, and apply spell 2 on the remaining. So here also we have 2 cases. If monsters with health 1 are odd or even. If they are even, you can directly apply spell 1 on the if you count the number of ones in some variable, count 1, then it's count 1 by 2. In the case of odd, you have to apply spell 1, count 1 by 2 times, and 1 monster will left. If assume there are 9 monsters, you will make pair of this. You have to kill this monster with spell 2. So 1 more cast of spell is required. So our answer will be simply n minus count 1 number of ones in the array plus count 1 by 2 this is spell 2, this is spell 1, and if it's odd, then also you have to use one cast of spell 2. So here you can smartly write count 1 modulo 2. So this will be your answer. Now we'll move on to the code. Thank you.
So here is the code. This is simple while loop with a number of test cases which you can easily follow. This is number of monsters, and this is the vector containing health of the monster. This is the counter which I was talking about. Initially we will assign it with 0, and if we see a monster with health 1, we'll increase this counter. And the answer which I wrote is the same for these monsters with health greater than 1, we have to use spell 2, and for monsters with health 1, we'll make pairs and we have to use spell 1. And if the number of monsters with health 1 are odd, then we have to use one more spell 2 to kill that one remaining. So this is the answer. It is pretty straightforward, and you can find the code in the description section. Thanks.